ती घरा कोण ना जाल्यार बिल हाय केला मीटर काण होता ते घरान तुला you are like trespassing the house without she not being in the house. It is just one room that she's staying in, and in one room 83,000 bill. दोन नोड आहे एक एशा आहे की गा दोन नोडा होशी 3,000 बिल हॉटेल जो लेते दिस टाइम मध्ये आ 80 रूमचा जे 100 रूमचा हॉटेल हॉटेला ते कोई तू बिल लेना 20,000 बिल लेना आणि एक रूमा 20,000 बिल. I want you to correct it and give it to her now, you know, right now if possible. And they get meter जाती to begin, they get meter गांधीचो, they get पैसा that go कामाना. And whatever she little that she has earned, she's spending now. So she's supposed to suffer. They are answerable to this.
ऐसा बोला दीजिए. Thank you.
Yes.
2003 अंक. She has been suffering. This is 2025. Till day that she was suffering. I stay gelo node kothun Gandhi tumo sangila we paid for the meter the minimum amount which we had to pay and minimum bill ata te pay kurpa rail the 1,500. So from 83 to 1,500 and 5 rupoy je minimum meter aha to kan hoilo to I hui science butor bosoin ditai mo sangila anto receipt huya. So it was quite quick. Instantly they helped us, so I'm very grateful to them. 1,500 which is minimum amount which we paid and the meter 500 रुपये ते separate pay केले आते. So 2,000 भितर आता जे minimum आहे ते help केल म्हण हांव thank you म्हणून असो दिता डिपार्टमेंटाक. So I hope you're happy also.
I'm happy to thank you Mutta Arjan son and God bless you Mutta and as much as I'm proud Zana to so that help with more. I'm really thankful so much because you came to solve my problem and ये problem दूसऱ्या पासून केन्ना जावची न्ही.
I'm as per the units on this current unit 4212. You see the difference 4235. Each unit is 45,000 and 83 पहिले.
Then how bill was corrected, no?
Corrected even for the तुम correct corpusano without reading how they can give 83,000 amount or directly. From 23 she's taking rounds. She has no family. Why this is happening?
I don't have meter for my told her so many times.
And they are who anda.
I tried, I should come and try here.
So she has to keep taking rounds after rounds.
So many times I should come. Who is to wear like this expect?
Common munis to naka from 55 to 40, 4,000, 42. Tej Patlan and from 83. Also already you say lo. Already you score magi 40 ele. From 40 to 43, 43 to 40. My then the recent bill sanu 4,000 3,936. From these two corrected to this. From 83,000 to 3,900 is the bill. So how they can give blindly 83,000?
Just 24 unit of my.
And there is a RTI Purmanam Gaila. I got as per the RTI. RTI gaili. RTI चे आपके bill reading इचाले. ते 2 unit आचे रू difference is रू. Then कितको मिले आणि 83,000 कितको नो? As per the RTI, if you see the bill, as per the RTI चोई मो. इतू वर्ष ते bill हारी कोता 1,800, 1,400. आता इतू वर्षा bill एक महिन्याचे bill हो. तुम्ही आता from this date to this date, how एक महिना bill बदरू इतू bill येता. ते oversold at इतूला लोग गरीब लोग हा कोण शिकप नाहलो मुनिसू. They are supposed to earn 10,000 and pay all 80,000. They are supposed to pay, but why corrected later? Why you all can't give the right amount of bill? Someone who is not educated, are they supposed to pay this amount?
Just
Common people are supposed to suffer. कोणा शिकप ना शिकप आता मुनीस दापट पावत मातलो बाबा हे करेक्ट कर पण कोणा शिकप ना त्या मुनीस कित कोतलो हे तुमका पे कोतलो 10,000 ती 5,000 पागराची हाय ती हे तुमका ही बिल हारी करपाची.
if you go to see my current and previous.
All are going to come and all are going to run after activists, or all are going to go near the NGOs, or all are going to write in applications and keep coming and begging at your feet. Why can't this whoever are coming, why don't you all educate them first of all? कोण आता तेगे घरा कूद ते ना तेगे गो बोर ना म्हणते हालो हुई हॉस्पिटल आसतना कोण येल हुई घरा भितर उडकी माल हुई तेगे मीटर काण घेन गेल हुई हा आणि मागीर तेका सांगो तुवें बिल हारी केलें ना म्हण ती घरा कोण ना जाल्यार बिल हारी केलें ना म्हण मीटर काण होता तेगे घरा तुलो you are trespassing the house without she not being in the house. It is just one room that she is staying in, and in one room 83,000 bill. नोड कितू हाय ते येऊन चेक कर मग तेक सांग कोणाको इन्स्पेक्शनाक धाड म्हण 2 नोड हाय एक एशा हाय की गा 2 नोडा होयशी 3,000 बिल हॉटेल चोले ते दिसताय मग ती आ 80 रूमचा जे 100 रूमचा हॉटेला ते कोई तू बिल येना 2,000 बिल येना आणि एक रूमा 2,000 बिल. How is that possible? And a common person has to suffer like this? Mid of 23, she is running after this now. We made 3 applications. This is the third one. From 23, we are making applications. Nobody is trying to support her. After which, my Kitu Susamui reduced on 40 hours on reduced on why she has to pay still for of just at 24 units? I want you to correct it and give it to her. Now, right now if possible. And तेगे मीटर जाती तो बेगीन तेगे मीटर गांधीचो. आता तुमचो जाल्यार this is the third recent applications that we have made. हे आत केला recent केला 2023 आसून ते हॅरेस कोताय. मीटर हा तो काण होयलो घरान ट्रेसपास कोन भितर येन without her knowledge. So she is all by herself running around just to get the meter back in the house. एक सिंगल रूम हा चोपा दिसोता ते व्हडले हॉटेल म्हण 100 रूमाचे 83,000 तेका बिल दिलो हा आरटीआय गायला मी and as per the RTI 83,000 तेका बिल लायलो हा. आता म्हाका सांगू एक रूमाचे 83,000 बिल रिसंट 23 आसून कंप्लेन करीत हाय. Nobody is attending her and she is running about coming here. She has even met her and she said that she is going to solve the problem. Until then the problem has been not solved. 24 unit and differences aku temi charge kel teka 4,000 लायला. आता युनिट चो कितू इतलेशे डिफरन्साचे आणि 4,000 लायला. सो 83,000 चे सॉन 43 येले. थर्ड एप्लिकेशन 43,000 चे सॉन लास्टा 4,000 लायले. सो 83,000 चे सॉन 4,000 यो पुसानु आता आमी गेन बसोत रावपाचे आता 4,000 लायले ते ती कित म्हणा प्रॉब्लेम इज सॉल्व्ड. फ्रॉम 83,000 4,000 लायल नु 4,000 इको लायल ते सारखे लायल ना 4212 युनिटाचे 4235. सो इतल्या डिफरन्साचे 4,000 आणि कित्याकू जेंती रावो नाही जाल्यार त्या रूमाकू आणि कनेक्शन आणि काण ओडयला. शी इज बिट एड्युकेटेड सो शी अंडरस्टूड दिस. इफ समवन हू इज अनएड्युकेटेड आमगेली जायती जाणटी हाय शिकप ना तेंका. आता ती जोडटाय कोण शेता कामा वयताय कोण आनी कितो बारीकसो धंदो कोताय तेंका शिकप आसना. सो हाल्या 2,000 तेंच्या हातीन दिले जाल्यार 10,000 जोडपाचे 2,000 बिल हारी करपाची तेगे पयस ते गो कामाना. And whatever she little that she has earned, she is spending now. So she is supposed to suffer. They are answerable to this. 23 years on the bad yata. And 25 years old, you tell.
चोरी पासून ते प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व कोने गेले. आता कितली पार्टी 3 एप्लिकेशन दिली 3 एप्लिकेशन दी म्हाका पावटी घाली तर मुगे एक्सपेन्स कोण दितलो म्हाका इतल्या बासीन येता पायलट मान येता कित्याक म्हाका घराको मुगे काम आसता भुरगे आसता त्या वेळार म्हाका मुगे कामा वचो पडटा. ही आसा ती बसून आसा ती असली काम करूं बसले एकदा गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां रोडोवपाकू आता म्हाका 23 years मुगे दोड आता म्हाका.
You answer me now. 80,000 is what you are expecting this woman to pay when she is earning nothing.
No, she was able to pay 3,000.
Now, from 23 she has been writing applications. So could you tell me that you have reached out to her? From 23, this is 25. Now you are telling me that 4,000 elmuno. You have made her suffer all these years. Don't also mid of 23 to 25. You are making her suffer, and now you are telling me na 4,000 dil muno. My 4,000 dil जरा मीटर किती काढ होईलो.
ऐसा बोला दीजिए. Thank you.
Yes.
आयज हांव PWD ऑफिसा येयल्लें मडगांव मारिया बारबोर आनी आमगेली कंप्लेन आहली. हेच्या पयलें मारियान कंप्लेन दिल्ली 2 फावटी in 2023 आसोन. And this is the recent complaint which we gave. So 23 आंकू तेगेलो तुमी अमावंट चोयल जाल्यार 80,000 तेका बील येयल्लें एज पर द RTI आमकां गायल्ली आनी RTI प्रमाणे 83,000 तेका बील येयल्लें आनी शी वॉज नॉट हॅपी विथ दीस बिकॉज तेगेलो एक सिंगल रूम आनी एक नोड घान तें तेगे घोवा बारबो रावता आतां एक रुमाकू एक नोडा हाटल्यानू 3,000 बील तेंकां धाडपाकू ती चोवपा 5 स्टार हॉटेलां लावताय दिसनाय हॉटेल घानू आनी हें हॉटेला बील दिसना सो हें PWDन आन्सर कोचे आतां ही पोर्टफोलियो हा आमगे CMा कोडे हांव CMा सांगो सोदिता देर आर सो मेनी कॉमन पीपल पुअर पीपल हू आर सफरींग तेंगेलो मिटर बुतो ट्रेसपास कोन काण वयलू when she was not even there she had gone with her husband to a doctor आनी तें येता म्हळ्यार हूंय नोडू ना सो हांव सांगो सोदिता आमगेल्या कॉमन लोकांक आमगे गोंयकारांक तुमी मिटर जेन्ना मिटर बील येता न्हू तुमगे एशें कोन्नू जाल्यार तुमी मिटर रिडींग कोचो एक पाट लिकेज आसता तें तुमी कोडोयचें डिपार्टमेंटाक बेस तें आडूच आपणा येल बी म्हूण आडू बील हारी कोरपा न्ही सी कोण जाय जाण न्हू शिंकलो आसनाय ओदो जाण गरीब लोक जे ना हांव म्हणटा गरीब म्हणून ओदो जाण तेंगेली फॅमिली भायर आसता जाणटे हिंग आसताय तेंकां खबर आसना बील येयलें आडू बील हारी केलें ना सो वेन इट इज द डिपार्टमेंट्स एरर ऑर मिस्टेक यू शूड नोटिफाय देम तुमी तेंकां कोडोवपा जाय बाबा हें बील येयलें तें कित्या येयलां आपूण उजा कांय कोना तें जावं लायटी बील तें जावं नोडा बील आतां जेन्ना CM म्हणटा आपूण उमकें लिटर उदक फ्री दिता म्हूण तेज्या पयलें तूं चार्ज देखून कोण आहलोलो 0 आहलोले पयलीं तूं 0 म्हणटा आनी एवरी एप्रील तूं 5% वाडयता मरे जाल्यार 0 आनी हुंयच्या जालें रे बाबा फ्री उदक हुंयच्या जालें आतां 0 आहलो तें परतून तूं चार्ज करपा लागलो आहलो तीच रेटीचेर सो तूं लेस आनी हुंयच्या गेलें दीस पीपल आर सफरींग फ्रॉम 83 it came down to 43 from 43 it came down to 40 from 40 it came down to 4,000 from 4,000 right now after asking them as per the unit thank you म्हणून सोदिता बिंदिया मॅडमीक who is a AE कित्याक तें आमकां हेल्प केलें म्हूण and also the technical engineer who is Akshay I'm very grateful to them and the staff who was all cooperative to help us आयज ते गेलो नोड कोचून गांधीत म्हणून सांगिला we paid for the meter the minimum amount which we had to pay and minimum bill आता ते पे करपा लायले ते 1,500 so it was quite quick instantly they helped us so I'm very grateful to them 1,500 which is minimum amount which we paid and the meter 500 रुपये ते सेपरेट पे केले ते सो 2,000 भितर आतां जे मिनिमम हाय ते हेल्प केलें म्हूण हांव थँक्यू म्हणून सोदिता डिपार्टमेंटाक आनी जेन्ना हांव भितर सोलें आय वॉज सो हॅपी टू सी ऑल गोवन्स आमगे गोंयकार एशें कोन्न दिसोलें हरे हांव गोंय आहा एशें म्हूण जेन्ना हांव ऑफिसान भितर सोल तेन्ना सगलीं गोंयकार नाल्यार हुंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटान भितर सोल जाल्यारू किसको मिलना है किस लिए आया है किधर जाना है क्या करने के लिए आया है सगलें आनी एशें कोन्न दिसोता हांव गोंय ना म्हूण हांव UP बिहार आहा म्हूण दिसोता सो आय वॉज हॅपी टू सी ऑल गोवन्स वर्किंग इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर ऑफिस मारगांव ऑफिस इन PWD Maria has been suffering from past 2 years in fact more than 2 years there was no water so I'm really grateful that they have reached out to her helped us instantly from आता 2 वर्स जालीं जावं ना आयज जालें सो आय होप यू हॅपी ऑल्सो
I'm happy to Fidel to thank you mutta Arjan son and God bless you mutta and एशें कोन्न केन्ना तूं आमकां पावचें आनी तुगे विडियो चोयन हांव सोदां हॅपी जातालें आनी हांव जाणा तूं सोदां हेल्प कोत म्हूण आय एम रियली थँकफूल सो मच बिकॉज यू केम टू सॉल्व माय प्रॉब्लम आनी हे प्रॉब्लम दुसऱ्या पासून केन्ना जावची न्ही एशें कोन्न केलें तें म्हाका कितलीं 2 वर्स उदक नासतना हें केलें तें हांव इतलें हें जालें हे CMान चोयचें आनी डिपार्टमेंटाचें एक्शन घेवचें